Hello students, today we are going to discuss a new topic from the chapter 4, climate. Today we are going to discuss about the Indian monsoon. What is this Indian monsoon? The climate of India is strongly influenced by the monsoonal wind or the monsoon wind. The Arab traders first noticed these winds and they named these winds as monsoon. Already I told you all the word monsoon, it is came from a Arabian word. The word is mosim and the meaning of the word mosim is season. Monsoon is the seasonal reversal of the wind system we already read. Monsoon is a wind or seasonal wind which reserve their direction of flow with the change of the season. That means in different season the wind is blowing from different direction, and our climatic condition is strongly influenced by this monsoon winds. Now let's see the factors that affecting the mechanism of Indian monsoon or why Indian monsoon actually occurs. The first factor is the differential heating and cooling of the land and the water create low pressure on the land, and while the sea experience the high pressure. The differential heating and cooling means there is a different procedure of the heating and cooling in the land and the sea. Suppose in case of the summer days it is happened that the lands get the temperature at very higher faster rate, whereas the sea receives the temperature at lower rate. But in the evening time you can see, or in winter you can see, the land became faster cold and the sea became take time to make itself cold. So this is the process of the differential heating and cooling. So the place which absorbs the heat at very faster rate, in that place we can see the low pressure, and whereas the place the temperature is less we can see the high pressure. And always the wind having a tendency to move from the low high pressure area towards the low pressure area. Due to this movement of the wind, this monsoon occurred in India. Generally during the time of the May and June we have seen that our land mass became very hot. So hot means low pressure will be there, and the sea having less temperature, that means the high pressure is there, so the wind from the sea towards the land will come, and this is the first thing. Due to that the monsoon occur in India. The second thing, shifting of the ITCZ over the Ganga plain during the summer. Now we need to know what is this ITCZ. ITCZ, the full form of the ITCZ is Intertropical Convergence Zone. Intertropical Convergence Zone is a broad low pressure belt that is located in the equatorial area, and this is where the northeast and the southeast trade wind converge, and this convergence zone lies more or less parallel to the equator but move north and south with the apparent movement of the sun, and due to this movement only the monsoon occurred in India. Now let's see this picture. This is a picture already you have seen. This is a picture of the wind movement in the world. You can see in the middle line, extremely middle, where the 0 degree locates, that is the equator. The value of the equator is 0 degree, you all already know. And now you can see in the 30 degree, 60 degree and the polar areas are the 90 degree. Now from the subtropical high pressure and the down 30 degree south subtropical high pressure, the winds are coming towards each other and they converged in 0 degree, that is the equatorial region. So this zone where the trade winds, that means this tropical easterlies and the tropical easterlies converge with each other, that particular area is known as Intertropical Convergence Zone. Intertropical means it is located in between both the tropics. Why it is called convergence zone? Because the winds from the tropics, it comes towards the equatorial area and they converge or they merge with each other in this zone only. That's why it is called the ITCZ. And due to the shifting of the ITCZ only, in case of the monsoon occur. It is also known as the monsoon trough also in the monsoon season. Now the third reason is that is the the intensity or the position of the high pressure area towards the east of the Madagascar, approximately 20 degrees south over the Indian Ocean, affects the Indian monsoon. How it affects the Indian monsoon? The high pressure area occur in the Indian Ocean, that is a area of the Madagascar region, and due to this high pressure only, the wind is coming towards the low pressure area, and in India that time the low pressure is present, and due to this also the monsoon occur. The next one is the Tibetan plateau that gets intense heated in the summer, and due to this intense heat only, we know when the temperature increases the low pressure creates. So the low pressure creates in that area only, and due to that only the rainfall occur in India, or the monsoon attracts towards India. And the last point is the movement of the westerly jet stream. Last day we had discussed about the jet stream, and in case of the movement of the westerly jet stream to the north of the Himalaya and the presence of the tropical easterly jet stream over the Indian peninsula during the summer, these all are also reasons of the, or these all are also mechanism of the Indian monsoon. So from here we have read about the what is Indian monsoon and the 5 different mechanism of the Indian monsoon, and side by side we read about the ITCZ also. For today this much only. Next day we will discuss about some new topic. Thank you.